Artificial intelligence is the biggest technological revolution of our generation, and right now in 2026 it is colliding head-on with the world of crypto. The result is one of the most exciting and fastest growing sectors in the entire cryptocurrency market. Here is a number that will blow your mind. The best AI crypto coins have collectively surged to a sector market cap exceeding $28 billion as of early 2026, but here is the problem: there are hundreds of tokens out there slapping AI onto their name to chase the trend. Most of them are pure hype with zero real technology behind them. In this video I am going to cut through all the noise and show you the top 5 AI crypto projects of 2026, the ones with real technology, real use cases, real institutional backing, and real potential for the future. By the end of this video you will know exactly what each project does, why it matters, and what to watch out for. Let's get into it. Before we get into the top 5 projects, let's understand why AI and blockchain are such a powerful combination and why this matters for you as an investor. Artificial intelligence is changing everything. It is reshaping medicine, finance, entertainment, transportation, and virtually every other industry on the planet. But there is a serious problem with how AI is being developed today. In late February 2026, OpenAI closed a $110 billion funding round at a $730 billion valuation, with $50 billion from Amazon alone. Meanwhile, Nvidia reported $68.1 billion in quarterly revenue, a 73% year-over-year increase. This massive concentration of compute power in a handful of companies is exactly what decentralized AI networks aim to counterbalance. The most powerful AI systems in the world are being built and controlled by a tiny number of corporations. They decide who gets access, how much it costs, and how the technology is used. The rest of the world just has to accept it. This is where crypto comes in. AI crypto tokens get their value from paying for specific services like GPU rendering, data indexing, or model training. In simple terms, AI crypto projects are building the open-source decentralized alternative to big tech AI. They are creating a world where anyone can access AI compute power, contribute AI models, share data, and earn rewards without needing permission from Google, Microsoft, or Amazon. The AI crypto market cap crossed $26 to $28 billion by early 2026, driven by rising demand for cheaper decentralized AI computing, and we are still in the very early stages. Now let's look at the 5 projects leading this revolution. The first project is Bittensor, and it is the undisputed king of AI crypto in 2026. Bittensor is essentially a decentralized machine learning network that allows AI models to collaborate, compete, and get rewarded based on their performance. Instead of training models in closed silos, Bittensor lets developers contribute models to an open network where they are ranked and compensated in TAO. Right now, if you want the best AI model in the world, you go to OpenAI and pay their price. OpenAI controls the model, the data, the pricing, and who gets access. Bittensor flips this completely. It creates an open marketplace where anyone can contribute an AI model. These models compete against each other. The best ones get rewarded with TAO tokens. The result is a continuously improving open decentralized AI network owned by no single company. TAO has a hard cap of 21 million tokens, just like Bitcoin's 21 million coin limit. The network now supports up to 128 specialized subnets with subnet 64 introducing serverless AI compute with trusted execution environment capabilities. As of May 12, 2026, TAO is trading at approximately $319 to $327 with a market cap of around $3 billion. TAO is up 11% in the past 7 days and up over 100% in the past 30 days. TAO's all-time high was $757 reached in April 2024. The case for Bittensor is structural. As demand for decentralized AI training grows and centralized providers like OpenAI continue raising costs, open model marketplaces become an attractive alternative. Bittensor is backed by Polychain Capital, which has invested over $200 million and was founded by ex-Google engineer Jacob Steves, giving the project institutional credibility that the sector often lacks. The primary risk for Bittensor is the discrepancy between theoretical benchmark capacity and actual sustained daily usage. High-performance metrics in blockchain environments often reflect stress test conditions rather than organic fee-generating economic activity. The second project is Render Network, and it solves one of the most critical bottlenecks in the AI revolution, which is computing power. Every AI model needs enormous amounts of GPU computing power to train and run. Right now most of that computing power sits in massive data centers owned by Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Render Network creates a completely different model. If you have a powerful GPU sitting idle on your computer, you can connect it to the Render Network and earn render tokens by lending your computing power to artists, AI developers, and studios around the world. Originally launched as RNDR on Ethereum, the network migrated to Solana and rebranded as Render between 2023 and 2024 for faster speeds. The token implements a burn-mint equilibrium model that adjusts supply based on network demand and activity. As of May 12, 2026, Render is trading at approximately $1.91 with a market cap of around $991 million. Render is up 4% in the past 7 days and generated $38 million in revenue in January 2026 alone. Render's all-time high was $13.53 reached in March 2024. For AI applications, Render provides the GPU infrastructure needed for training models, running inference, and processing large-scale computations. As AI workloads become more demanding, decentralized GPU networks like Render offer cost-effective alternatives to centralized cloud providers. NVIDIA projected $1 trillion in chip demand through 2027 at its GTC keynote in March 2026, sending AI tokens higher across the board. Render faces direct competition from centralized GPU providers like AWS and decentralized alternatives like Akash Network. The third project is the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, whose token is called FET, formed by the merger of Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol. The Artificial Superintelligence Alliance is one of the biggest moves toward decentralized AGI, which stands for Artificial General Intelligence. The alliance combines agent-based AI, decentralized data sharing, and AI marketplace infrastructure into a unified mission to build open-source superintelligence. FET serves as the foundational token of this alliance, driving transactions across all associated networks. Fetch.ai specializes in autonomous AI agents, which are software programs that can act independently on behalf of users, such as booking hotels, trading assets, and negotiating contracts without human intervention. SingularityNet is an AI marketplace where developers can publish and monetize AI algorithms and models. Ocean Protocol enables secure data sharing for AI training, allowing individuals and organizations to share data with AI developers while earning rewards and maintaining privacy. The unified FET token serves as the currency across all three platforms. The alliance has also launched the ASI-1 Mini, which is described as the world's first Web3-based large language model designed for autonomous and agentic workflows. The FET token gives investors exposure to the entire decentralized AI stack, agents, models, and data through a single token. The merger of three large projects brings integration complexity, as ensuring seamless coordination between the three platforms while maintaining momentum in each individual ecosystem is a significant operational challenge. The fourth project is Near Protocol, and it is taking a fascinating and unique approach to the AI crypto space. Most blockchain projects are trying to add AI on top of existing infrastructure, but Near is doing something different. It is building its infrastructure specifically for a world where AI agents are the primary users of the blockchain. Near's overarching vision is to become the unified commerce layer for agentic commerce, a term the project uses to describe autonomous digital agents transacting on behalf of users. The 2026 roadmap focuses on achieving sustained real-world 1 million TPS capabilities and refining a new governance model termed the House of Stake, which proposes blending human community voting with AI agent representation. AI integration is baked into Near's developer tooling, including automated smart contract generation, AI-powered code debugging, and natural language interfaces for dApp interactions. The ecosystem funds AI-focused projects through grants and Near Tasks, a decentralized data labeling and validation marketplace, continues to attract AI developers seeking human-verified datasets. As of May 12, 2026, Near is trading at approximately $2.66 with a market cap of around $3.24 billion. Near's AI narrative competes with its identity as a general-purpose Layer 1, and clarity on its primary positioning will matter for sustained institutional interest. Near leads in developer activity in 2026, suggesting that most serious AI development is happening in its ecosystem. The fifth project is Grass, and it is solving a problem that most people have never thought about: Every AI model in the world needs massive amounts of data to train on. Most of that data comes from scraping the internet, and right now that entire web scraping pipeline is completely centralized. A handful of companies control which data gets collected, how it is processed, and who gets to use it. Grass is building the decentralized alternative. You download the Grass browser extension. It uses a tiny amount of your unused internet bandwidth to browse the web, collecting data that is used to train AI models. In return you earn Grass tokens. You are essentially getting paid to let your computer contribute to AI training while you sleep. Grass rallied 28% in 24 hours in mid-March 2026 to approach the $475 resistance level and gained 13% on the day of NVIDIA's GTC keynote as the decentralized bandwidth narrative gained mainstream attention. Web scraping is how most foundation models are trained, and the data pipeline is almost entirely centralized today. Grass is building the decentralized alternative, and with AI models requiring ever larger training sets, demand for curated web data at scale is only growing. Grass is an early-stage project with significant execution risk. The gap between paying users for bandwidth and becoming an enterprise-grade AI training dataset supplier is significant. Now that you know the top 5 AI crypto projects, let me give you a framework for evaluating any AI crypto project you come across, because there are hundreds of fake AI tokens out there, and this framework will help you separate the real ones from the hype. First, check if the coin is actually used for AI tasks like computing, data, or automation, and not just for marketing. If the only connection to AI is the word AI in the project name, then walk away. Second, check GitHub repositories and review developer grants to understand ongoing development, Filecoin, Chainlink, ICP, and near lead builder activity in 2026. A project with no active development is a red flag. Third, review burn mechanisms, vesting schedules, unlocks, and supply pressure, because tokenomics and dilution risk matter as much as the technology. Fourth, prefer projects that already have a working product and not just future promises. Bittensor, Render, and Grass all have live functioning products in 2026. Be very cautious with projects that only have a white paper. Fifth, look for tokens with credible institutional interests such as grants, strategic partnerships, and exchange listings, because these tend to be more resilient. Sixth, focus on tokens with deep order books on major exchanges, because you need to be able to enter and exit positions without significant slippage. Before we wrap up, let me be completely honest about the risks of investing in AI crypto projects, because these are high-risk assets and you need to go in with your eyes open. First, many projects have strong stories, but investors need to separate what is already live from what is still roadmap talk. Second, AI and blockchain are both complex technologies, and combining them creates even more technical risk. Smart contract bugs, protocol failures, and technical setbacks can destroy value quickly. Third, AI tokens face direct competition from centralized providers like AWS, Google, and Microsoft, who have virtually unlimited resources and years of infrastructure advantage. Fourth, AI regulation is accelerating globally in 2026, and new laws affecting AI data collection, model training, and autonomous agents could impact AI crypto projects significantly. Fifth, AI crypto tokens tend to follow the broader crypto market, and in a bear market even the best AI projects can drop 70 to 80%. Regardless of their technology quality, the bottom line is to only invest what you can afford to lose completely, and always diversify across multiple projects rather than putting everything into one token. Let's quickly recap the top 5 AI crypto projects to watch in 2026. Number 1 is Bittensor TAO, the decentralized AI marketplace. Think of it as the open-source alternative to OpenAI, currently trading at approximately $319 to $327 with a market cap of around $3 billion and up 11% in the past 7 days. Number 2 is Render Network. Render, decentralized GPU computing for AI, connects idle GPUs worldwide with AI developers and creators who need computing power, currently trading at $1.91 with a market cap of around $991 million. Number 3 is Artificial Superintelligence Alliance FET, the merger of Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol, building decentralized AGI through agents, models, and data. Number 4 is Near Protocol, building the transaction layer for the AI agent economy. Targeting 1 million TPS for a world where autonomous agents are the primary blockchain users, currently trading at approximately $2.66. Number 5 is Grass. Grass, decentralizing AI's data pipeline. Users earn tokens by contributing their unused internet bandwidth to AI training datasets. Crypto can genuinely change your financial future, but only if you approach it the right way. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Crypto Skill for more videos like this. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 AI projects are you most excited about. See you in the next video.